Good evening, everyone. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Yakika Haman. I'm doing computer science year 1. So I'm here to present my database project. Particularly, it is the online shopping cart system. What is the online shopping cart system? We are going to get to know. These are my slides. We are going to talk about the online shopping cart system. That is the database I did. Let's first look at the introduction. This project is a web-based shopping system for an existing shop. The project objective is to deliver the online shopping application to Android platform. Online shopping is a process whereby consumers directly buy goods or services from a seller in real time without an intermediary service over the internet. It is a form of electronic commerce. The system hosts buying the products in the shop anywhere through the internet by using an Android device. Thus, the customer will get the service of online shopping and delivery from his favorite shop. The system can be used by both big and small retail outlets and supermarkets. So the reason as to why I chose the online shopping cart system is going to be seen in the case study. The case study is VK Supermarket, a supermarket located in Bugazi. It was well stocked with a variety of goods and services for people. It receives 10 to 20 customers a day, and it employs over 30 workers, including cashiers, cleaners, security guards, managers, auditors, and helpers. Why did I choose BK Supermarket? And this is the reason as to why I chose the online shopping cart system. BK has got plenty of goods for its customers, but it receives few customers simply because of the road. Actually, the road is poor. The road is poor. It is Maram with a lot of dust, and thus many customers neglect going there. The supermarket is also poorly located, and therefore customers cannot easily see. The managers and the boss don't wish to change the location. Therefore, we decided to look for a solution that can at least make customers purchase commodities without physically going to the supermarket. So we want to design a system that can favor customers get the services and goods that they desire without physically going there, without physically passing through the burdens of the poor roads, the dust, and all that. So that's why I chose the online shopping cart system. Let's look at the features of the existing system, the old one. It is less user-friendly. The user must go to shop and select products, which is at times tiresome and wastes a lot of time. It is difficult to identify the required product. You have to look at one by one, shelf by shelf, corridor by corridor. Description of the product is limited. It is a time-consuming process, not in reach of distant users. People who are from various distant areas cannot access the supermarket. So the online shopping cart system therefore becomes a better solution, because you can easily stand from wherever you are, sit from wherever you are, whether in your toilet, whether on your bed, and order for a TP, and order for drinking water, and order for a cup or anything. These are the user specifications of the system. We have got two users majorly. We have the customers and administrators. The user logs in, can be registered on that system, and the user can also purchase an item. Then the administrator can manage the user, can manage the products, and can also manage orders, as we're going to see. Then analysis of benefits. How is it going to benefit? The system will allow customers or users from distant localities to purchase goods and services without wasting time in physically moving to the supermarkets, shops. This will enable them to relieve the burden of transport charges, limited time to be used while purchasing goods and services. Electronic money transfer. Some people don't want to move with hard cash. They found a big problem with moving with hard cash. Someone has a lot of money, has over 6 million, fears people can even see them. So the online shopping system can relieve that burden. Then the analysis of costs. Of course, we need to put in some money. The user will be required to buy any of the devices. The intangible include internet connection, which involves the buying of data bundles from an internet service provider or Wi-Fi. A user will be required to have a web browser on his computer so as to access the system. Or if not, you are using a mobile phone, you need to download the application that will be created. And the limitations, of course, if you don't have power, if you don't have money, and if you don't have data on your phone or on your device, you cannot use the system. Now let us bump into the design of the database. Let's begin with the entities. This system is going to have 9 entities. It is going to have the user table, the transaction table, the cart table, the cart item table, the category table, the order table, product table, order item table, and the product category table. Let's start with the user table. It stores user information. The same table can be used to manage different types of users, including customers and admins. That is the user table. Then the product table is used for storing the product data. The category table and product category table is to store the category, type, group, or division to which various products belong. Then the cart item, cart table, which is a table manages the virtual carts and store the user selection before creating the actual order. Then the cart item table, the order table, the transaction table, they are all described there. So this is our ER system, diagram system. It is showing the relationships between our tables. As you see, it is not well clear, but I believe if you want to see it properly, you have to open the PDF that is attached to this video, which contains the ER diagram, which is clear. This is the system flowchart. It is also small. We cannot enlarge it, but I know if you want to access it, you just need to go into the PDF that is attached. Then this is our user login form, one of the interfaces. If your user is going to log into the system, this is what he works with. Then the login failure report is that if in case you enter wrong credentials, this is what you get. And that is the registration form. So these are some of our slides that we have on our system. Then the next thing, since my system is already created, I want to show you some of the attributes via my SQL console. Let me run it. Okay, so this is my SQL console. I want to show evidence that the system is created. Evidence is seen from here plus the PDF document. Okay, so this is my SQL console. I have no password. I want to first show the databases which are created, which are within this server. So those are the databases I have. The database I'm talking about now is called the shopping cart system. So we are going to use shopping cart system. Database changed, so it is now active. The next step, we are going to see whether the entities I've talked about in my presentation, whether they are there. So on my SQL console, trying to prove that the entities are there. So I am going to show the tables in this system. Show all the tables. So the tables are there. There are nine rows in set. So let me try to pick out one table. I think let me describe product. When I describe product, this is how this is its structure, the fields, the type, the primary key, everything is there, everything is set. That is one of my tables. I can actually run a query. Yeah, I can run a query and select all. To select all, you simply say select, then star, then from product. Yeah. So this is a query that is going to return all the data which is stored in the product table, which is a long table. That's why you see it is having from here up to here. It finishes like that and then starts again like this. So it is a long table. So this is my database. This is the issue that I've tried to show, to present. Hope you've enjoyed my system. To get more information about it, you just need to open the report I created and then read more about it. Thank you so much.